My name's Codie-lyn Kahler. I'm from Springfield, Ohio, and we're your typical all-American family. I've been in Young Living since 2012. When I started, essential oils weren't really known by anyone. Young Living is more than just a product. It truly is a lifestyle, and it is one that we have embraced fully as a family. We have Young Living in every corner of our home, and all of our family members enjoy Young Living products. When Young Living partnered with Nature's Ultra in 2019, I was very excited because I'd already been exposed to CBD and we've been doing the essential oils. And so I thought, I'm going to try it. It's going to be worth me looking into. Once we got into it, I realized this is a very good quality product. It's far superior to some others that I had seen. So we started then and have been using it ever since. If you go in public, you're going to find there are CBD locations everywhere. You can get it at the gas station, you can get it at the grocery store, and not all CBD is created equal. Many times it's just glorified water with a lot of additives in it. You risk having too much THC in a product, or you risk having contaminants. Young Living prides themselves on the seed to seal difference. It's what sets us apart from every other essential oil company that there is. And Nature's Ultra also prides themselves on making sure that they have the absolute purest, best product that they can have. And so the partnership to me just made so much sense. I loved that because now that Young Living and Nature's Ultra are together and combined as one company, I get the benefit of the seed to seal process with the purity of the Nature's Ultra CBD, and it's a perfect combination. The biggest question I get from people is this legal? Is this something that it's going to be okay for me to take? And so I often have to address the question on the difference between what is marijuana and what is hemp, and the differences between them. What makes one illegal and the other one legal? What's the difference between a full spectrum product that contains THC and a CBD isolate? A marijuana product is labeled as something with more than 0.3% THC by dry weight. Industrial hemp is something that has less than 0.3% THC. And so the CBD isolate is nice because it has 0.0% THC. The one that I'm probably using the most is the muscle balm, the joint and muscle balm. A little bit goes a long way, and so I find myself using that more often, especially long days when I'm standing on my feet a lot. One of the things that I love about Nature's Ultra is the oils are added to it. So we have the benefit of the terpene profile from essential oils added into the CBD product. So I have the power of a seed to seal backed essential oil with the purity of a Nature's Ultra CBD isolate, and it's a perfect smart spectrum combination. Essential oils is how I got started with Young Living and doing the business. And then when Nature's Ultra partnered with them, it was a natural for me to recommend these products to people as well. And once I saw the benefits for myself and for so many other people, it became really easy for me to share about that with others. I've chosen to focus on CBD in my Young Living business because I see the potential down the road. There are many benefits with incorporating CBD into a wellness plan, and I know that there are many people who are looking for something a little bit more. I want to be able to provide options for people. I teach classes for my current members quite often. We do a lot of those online, but I also do classes here in my home and locally. I like to be able to meet people where they are. That might mean having a one-on-one with somebody when it's convenient for them, or inviting them into my home so they can see our lifestyle and see how we use these products on a daily basis. And then we can ask questions and kind of have a discussion about what their needs are and how these products might be able to best fit their needs. And it also means going into the community and talking to people, listening to where people are, what they need, and then offering solutions if I have some. When I meet someone, I will just ask if they're open to options. And if they say they are, then I will just give them a brief description of what CBD is. Then I usually have a couple questions like, isn't that marijuana? Or is that legal? Or is that safe? And so if I can address some of those basic questions for them, then most of them are very curious to give it a try and see what the potential benefits are for them. Young Living has grown exponentially since 2012, and everyone knows about essential oils. You can't go to a store where there's not some mention of essential oils in a product. That same potential is here with CBD. We are at the beginning of the possibilities that are to come when it comes to the business of CBD. So if people will educate themselves on how the product works and how people can use this for their overall well-being, I think we're going to see an uptick in how many people are interested in this product. We have the possibility to bring in new people who maybe aren't as familiar with essential oils, but they've heard about the benefits of CBD. We have a whole new market of people that we can reach out to with this product.